Christmas Day. Merry Christmas. I'm about to open my gift that Judah gave to me. It feels like a shirt. And I think it's a shirt from Club Diamonds probably.
Block it, cover, block it.
What's that?
Mommy,
What is this?
It's a top. What happened to it? Mommy, what is this? It's a top. Mommy, where's the receipt? Mommy, no, mommy. I get to look like 5.
No, it's not. It looks very nice with your jeans. Put it on and see.
They look nice.
Mommy, stuff is big though.
No, Judah, that's just small.
I'm tiny.
Judah, put it on.
Thank you though, mommy, but where's the receipt?
I don't know.
I find it.
Judah, that's a nice little top.
Oh, yay! I got a tie for work.
Let's see.
Oh, you frightened me.
Thank you. That tie.
You want me to hold it for you?
Yeah, I guess so. So guys, I got a tie for work. I've been wanting a tie.
You want light up here?
Now I need to learn how to do an actual professional knot. And not just
Daddy can teach you how to tie.
That's why I teach you how to tie the tie.
That's my basic knot.
I don't know who's on this. Is so much daily, remember? And this is Sancia and so this one Jane and
Alright, great. So I got a tie this time. You like that? What color shirt?
White? Black?
Yeah, I have a white shirt. And I want to open what Judah got for me. Is there a receipt in this?
You don't need one.
Because I picked out this one, right?
No, you didn't.
I did.
Okay. Other one first.
Huh?
Other one first.
What's that one? This?
Yeah.
I want to read it.
No.
I want a receipt.
Yeah, you're right.
I need a receipt.
You're right.
Is there a receipt to this?
Mommy, I'm small and it's not going to fit me.
It will fit you. They will look nice with your cheese.
Give this first.
Let's see your home, all your presents
all
already
that
now.
brings warmth to your home and
That one
happiness
is
to your
from
heart.
mommy and daddy.
They say that
What
Christmas
else
is the
daddy
season for
open from mommy?
giving.
Help daddy
Okay,
open.
never mind.
Right now, this is.
Wow, this is so. It's somewhere between touching
Oh.
and a little bit emo. I'm just being honest. But thank you.
Someone dared me.
Someone dared you? How old are you?
Parents are here, guys. Open your gift
You are
now.
an ambassador for this company. And once you are CEO, you will be the face of this company.
So guys, I want her to open her gift. For her gift, she can't carry back a receipt.
Now, I'm not sure.
There's no need for a receipt for her gift. Gently lift that gift, please.
Oh, teacup. Okay,
Please, for all our sakes.
I was told to gently lift the destiny.
Read the card first.
Thank you, I love my cup.
Hey, you're welcome.
This cute. Well, I must have
Where do you get these nice cards though?
Yeah, because I take time out to do things.
I read them through, but they were so bogus. That's why I have to write notice them.
Christmas time.
You want a receipt to exchange it? You like your gift?
Where is it from?
Doesn't matter where you get it from.
It's a gift, son.
Gift thanks.
Sauce counts.
Aww.
Have you given any thought to
Should I read the top one first still, but okay.
I like reading the card itself first and then read the audition.
Yeah, you should be.
That's what I'm doing.
Sweetie, sorry, but I've got a conference call with my mom.
Quick peek.
Really? Great. And for me,
Ma!
I prove to you that I'm not just a party girl, but
Where did I?
Come here.
Am I asking you?
Oh, you see something?
The back part.
what?
Apparently you're supposed to go around there and open my gift.
Figure anything out? Yeah.
So,
But
you start save up yet? You have a money box?
what if I did another fundraiser?
Huh? Do you have a money box for your trip? Alright, open me a gift.
Valentine's Day.
Don't do that.
Slowly.
Flashy party.
Yeah.
The thing
Why
is,
you don't
you're
put
worried
me
about
back?
our public.
Girl!
I said don't ever do it.
The thing that I think
unusual. This is deep.
is the spirit.
I said don't ever.
You like it?
Yeah.
That's your money box, so you can save.
Ordinary people live different lives in the world.
Give me.
Most of our lives are small
You
town.
mustn't.
Wait a second, I think I just figured it out.
So you go save. Alright guys, so she got her gift, but she doesn't need a receipt for it. Unlike my gift, but I don't remember if some of you guys watch the Snapchat videos, and I always say like to like save for a trip, what we call a money box. So I started my money box. I highly doubt that she has started it as yet, but yeah. No, she has a firm start.
It's a pan. That's what it is. No box. It's a pan.
It's a pan.
Different say. And this quick pan. Do you refill this money box for me sometimes too?
Alright guys, so this is where I'm gonna leave you. I haven't been vlogging much because it's the holidays of course, but remember these 3 things: love, nature, adaptation, and always remember, keep going. Love the video, like it, subscribe. Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island. I'm stuck with you, but we always smiling. So of course I haven't been vlogging for a while. Today is day 29th of Vlogmas. I haven't been vlogging. I mean, 2 days ago was my birthday on the 27th. I didn't even vlog that because, to be quite honest, I didn't feel like vlogging. Like, some of you might not even realize vlogging is almost like a job, especially when you're not getting paid for it. It's like a really heavy job, but like I enjoy it, so I really enjoy doing it. But like I was at the point where I was just like, yo, I just want to kind of enjoy the holidays a little bit. Some things I wanted to vlog for, and I was like, yo, not right now, you know, I want to gear up for next year. But just to give you a quick recap, my birthday started off a little bit gloomy because, you know, I was at home and I was like, yo, whatever, you know, nothing special is gonna happen. But yo, it didn't end that way. It ended like so superbly. Like, I mean, Judah came over maybe at like 6 o'clock or whatever it was, and we had such a fantastic time. Like, she took me to the movie. She blindfolded me pretty much, and I was there. Well, I couldn't really vlog the movies anyway, but you know, I knew that we were going to the movies because she was like, yo, at 8:30, you need to get ready at 8:30. I was like, okay. I always tell her that, you know, we've been together, but we've never been to a movie. So she blindfolded me. I could feel the road because, of course, I know the road to get there, even though she tried to start from a different point, but I knew the road. So I got there, and, you know, we watched Jumanji, which was a pretty good movie. So that was good. Then she blindfolded me again, and then she was driving, and I was like, because for me, I'm very perceptive when it comes to certain things. Like, it's not, I mean, everyone can be fooled, but you're not gonna fool me that easily. And I was like, somewhere else, where could that be? And I was like, yo, we're going up to the hill that we normally go to. So, you know, we went up on the hill, and it was like, we went there, and like, it's so funny when you lose one of your senses, guys. It's like, you learn to use the others. So I was just like, I literally could feel the mountains on one side. I mean, granted, I kind of knew where we were, but like, you could feel the heaviness on one side here, and then the other side you could feel like space. And I was like, this feels like definitely the hill. When I took it off, that's where we were. And you know, I think she was trying to get candles, but she couldn't get any. So, and I pulled a cheesecake, and she used matchstick sticks to be the candles. It was pretty cool, pretty inventive. And you know, I outed it, and I wished for something. Of course, it's pertaining to us, but like, I can't tell you guys. And
So I was there, and I know you guys were probably saying, yo, I wish you had vlogged this so we could see or whatever, but I'm sorry. And you know, she led me to the first gift, and I started to open it, and it was like, it seemed like a plain white shirt, guys, and I was like, what is this? And I'm like, okay, pulling it. Look what I found, guys. Bro. And just looking at the shirt, big man thing, I was just like tears just came to my eyes, fam, because for me, gifts are, it's a thought that goes into a gift. That's the biggest thing. It's a thought that goes into a gift. Is it me? And I was just like, and also I was surprised because I remember she was asking me, you know, to show her the design or whatever, and I was like, yo, and I sent her a design on WhatsApp, but I took a picture and it was kind of slanted, and she's like, is that how you want it to be, slanted or upright? And I sent another picture. When I said picture, I mean I snapped it on my computer, not like the actual image. So I'm guessing the person that she sent it to, of course, knows Photoshop, so all they have to do is just to find the caps that I wrote it in, do that, find the YouTube sign, and then put the caps again, and the shirt is done. And I was just like, yo, however they got it done, it was so thoughtful, and I love this shirt. I'm gonna actually frame this shirt, and that's kind of the reason of today's vlog, because I was like, I remember I told you guys that I'm gonna be doing a giveaway for y'all, and this is gonna be the giveaway. I'm gonna actually get these shirts done. So today, Judah and I are gonna actually be going on the road, finding some nice shirts to do the printing for. I already know a few of the people that I'm gonna be doing the giveaways for. I'm just gonna say it from now, because these persons, like, bro, I know for a fact that Rosemary, makeup artist, is definitely getting a shirt. You see me, so I'll link her up probably later or whatever. Whenever she watches this video, she'll send me her shirt size or whatever, and her address or whatever if she wants to. But her and this person has been commenting on my videos for like I look back on a video that somebody commented on, and it was like 9 months ago, bro. So this is not someone who's like, they watch a video and they don't say anything. This lady has been watching my videos from so long, and I was like, yo, Jano, this person really messes with the channel. Another person definitely is getting one is Canadian Mom. Big up yourself, because like you always have something nice to say, and like you wouldn't even understand how you make my day feel. It just makes the vlog, as I was saying in the start, like the vlog sometimes feels like a job, but like when people say just positive words, sometimes it's just like, bro, keep going. And I really respect that. And I'm not the kind of person that you do something for me and I'm not gonna do something for you. I know some of you work, it just feels one-sided, and I don't like that. Isn't me? So I'm definitely gonna be doing that for you. I know I'm talking a lot, but I've been missing out on some vlogs, so there's a lot of stuff I need to say to you. So those two persons, so probably somebody else I'm gonna give a shirt automatically, because they mess with me, like they really mess with me, like even more than my friends. So that person I'm gonna give. Of course, some of the people who've been around me, like just my friends, like, you know, who hang with me, who've been a part of the vlog, because a vlog is not just me. When you're watching a vlog is not just me. It's not, you know, it's the people that are around me, my environments, and those things help. I try to give back to the environment in, you know, different ways, which is, you know, to broadcast it, to show how beautiful it is. And the people, of course, like Dono, Davine, Matthew, Judah, of course, that's a no-brainer. These people are gonna get a shirt, obviously. So that's what I'm gonna do. Oh, and my last gift I'm gonna show you so I can stop talking. So this actually is my last gift that I got, and this is a gift that wrapped it all up for me, that made me feel so good. Of course, this is the, what you call the typical gift, the gift that people want, like the gift that costs some money and stuff, and like, yeah, make you feel good, you know, the gadgets and stuff. People always like that. So this paired together with the sentimental gift and this, yo, sell it off for me personally, because this will help me to, you know, keep more fit, keep more healthy. Because a lot of the times I really get lost. It's in between work, doing vlogs, and I don't even know how much sleep I'm actually getting. And this watch tells me, you know, how deep of a sleep am I getting, how good am I sleeping, am I walking enough? Because sometimes I'm always sitting on my computer working and stuff. So am I moving enough for the day? So that for me is going to be like really helpful just to keep healthy. And you know, Judah, thank you so much for the gift. You wouldn't even understand. So we're gonna go to, I think, Carby's, I believe, to, you know, shop around for the shirt. Sorry for talking so much, guys, but I know y'all missed me anyway, so you don't mind listening. I'm gonna do that, shop around for the shirts, and yeah, pretty much. So that's gonna be the deal for today. Guys, Judah told me like, we're leaving out about 1:30. It's 4:25 now. And she was just like, we're stopping at the bank now. Always really classic. But I was here playing FIFA with I was playing some FIFA with Gabby. If you guys can see, yeah. But if any of y'all play FIFA, you can add me on PlayStation. My PSN name is Ibby, that's IBBY_cross, CROSS. So we can probably play FIFA now and again. But yo, Gabby can play FIFA like hell, I swear. Guys, but in the meantime, look at the cool ass card Judah got me. Life is an adventure. It just matches the shirt so well. Enjoy the ride. And then it's fun to imagine where this year could take you and think of the dreams that could maybe come true. And this is a plane inside. Of course, she has a note in there. I'm not going to tell you what she said, but you can pull this out and make the plane. So I'm going to start that and then put it somewhere in my room maybe. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done making the plane. It says here that you should be able to fly it. So it's a plane that can be flown, but I need to put a paper clip at the front, but I ain't gonna fly. I ain't gonna mess this plane up, so I'm just gonna put it just right up here. And I'll always have this. What I really wanted to do is like to hang it from something and make it float, but it is what it is. You have to be doing these crazy things to pretty much kill time until you're done. There's in traffic, guys. It's been raining a little bit. We gotta get a car from Judah, but can't never let her go through, so I'm assuming that she's saying to leave out, so I'm leaving out right now. They're on Barbican ends right now. So it looks like here today. But yeah, I'll head down to Carby's and then I'll show you what's up and what we're getting. Alright guys, so I just got here. Quite a few people are here as well, but just to show you like where this place is, it's just over there. If you guys can see, it's like across from like where Western Sports is, so that's where the store is. Yeah guys, so the Carb is over on that one. There's the other one on that direction, so you have to be careful. Big man thing, I go in there and it was like it really kind of packed. I called Judah say, yo, we come with her at this time, and I never really work out still, so I'm just gonna go home and get ready, come I got chill on my friend them, and then another day I come deep with this.
No lie.